Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's start learning Chinese characters for body parts. In this series, we'll focus on the basic ones that describe different parts of our body. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character qian, which means heart. Sometimes the character qian can also refer to the mind, intelligence, or even the inner self or soul. Its meaning depends on the words it appears in. For example, 心脏 means the physical heart. 心室 means a heart chamber. Here, 心 refers to an actual organ in the human body, the heart. 内心 means inner feelings, inner self. 心理 means psychology, one's mental state. In these words, 心 refers to the mind. 伤心 means sad, heartbroken. 开心 means happy, joyful. Here, 心 expresses emotions. 中心 means center. 圆心 means the center point of a circle. In these examples, 心 means center. The character xin is an ancient Chinese character with its origins in oracle bone script. In early inscriptions, people drew a symbol that resembled the shape of a heart organ to represent the idea of heart. Over time, this pictorial form slowly evolved into the written character we use today. Let's practice reading it together. Xin, xin, xin. Xin is a single component character made up of 4 strokes, 3 dots, and 1 horizontal hook stroke. It may look simple, but it's actually not that easy to write it well. Don't go anywhere. Let's learn how to write xin together. We follow the writing rule from left to right. First, write the dot on the left. Make sure it goes from the upper right to the lower left. That's the correct direction. Don't reverse it. Next, write the lying horizontal hook stroke. It begins on the left and moves smoothly to the right in a gentle curve, finishing with an upward hook, like a small cradle. Finally, write the 2 dots above this cradle. First, the center dot, then the upper right dot. These dots should move from upper left to lower right. Remember, each dot has a correct direction and a correct position. If you write them in the wrong place or wrong direction, the character will look incorrect. The character xin is also a very important radical. When used as a radical, it usually appears at the bottom of a character, like this. Many characters with xin as the bottom radical are related to mind, thoughts, emotions, or inner feelings. We'll learn many of these characters in future videos. Let's learn a fun and useful word. 小心. Let's try guessing what this word means. 小 means small, and xin means heart, so you might be thinking, does it mean small heart? Sorry, that's not correct. 小心 doesn't mean small heart at all. It actually means be careful. When something seems dangerous or risky, you can say 小心. It means be careful. Did you get it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.